In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air injection check valve on your Chevy Sonic. It's located under the hood. I have a 13mm socket on that lower bolt. It's way underneath. I'm going to go for that one first. Remove the bolt. And now we're going to go for the side one. Same size. Remove that bolt. Before removing that last bolt on the top, we're going to unplug the air valve. Push in on this right here to remove the connector. Press here, and that should lift up enough to get this off, and set that aside. Now we're going to remove this hose. To do that, you're going to press here and underneath and remove it. And set that up here, and now we're going to remove that last bolt. Make sure you have a good hand on it. And remove the bolt. And now we can pull this away. And pull it out. Now you're going to remove that gasket. And let's clean our surfaces. Make sure that surface is nice and clean before you install your gasket. I'm going to put 2 bolts through so it holds the gasket in place, and now we're going to install. Now we're going to feed this through and line it up and get our bolts started. I'm going to use my socket and extension to help me get these bolts started. It's hard to reach in there. Once you get your bolts started, you're going to get them tighter. I would go around a couple times and not just tighten one down first. So we're going to slowly get these tighter. That way they're all evenly tightened. I'm going to switch to a handheld ratchet now that I'm close. And we're just going to snug these all up a little bit. And then we're going to torque them to 18 foot-pounds. Now we're going to torque these to 18 foot-pounds. Now that we have our bolts torqued, we're going to put our hose back. Make sure that O-ring is nicely seated and locked in. And let's plug it in. Slide it over. Make sure it's all the way on. And make sure that you're locked in right here. You can go by feel if you can't see. And you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.